Rant maker, make me a rant. Make me an oatmeal rant. Hey everybody, how's it going? As you probably know, this is my new web series, Oatmeal Rants, in which I have my morning oatmeal. Excuse me. I drink my morning coffee. And I go off on a little rant. I let off a little steam. As you heard up top, I've returned to my classic theme song, which I hope you enjoyed. Previous rants have been about such topics as how you can't find Game of Thrones beer when Game of Thrones beer isn't currently airing the new season. How they don't have V8 in the vending machine in the break room where I work. And when people often put their fists under their chins when they're taking photographs. So you get the idea. Excuse me. Today's rant is about the keyboards on iPhones. They just don't do what I want them to do. I want to type one letter. I end up typing a completely different letter. I don't think these keyboards, these little keypads, were correctly calibrated to people's thumbs. I'll tell you what I'm really talking about here is I do these little crossword puzzles. Excuse me. On my iPhone, and I'm getting words wrong left and right. But I knew the answer. I have to go back and retype them. And these are timed rounds, you know. So I'm losing time correcting. But I knew the answer. Crossword puzzle shouldn't be a typing skill test, you know. That's not what a crossword puzzle is really about. But the iPhone design kind of makes it that way. Makes it have to be like that. Makes it have to be a typing test of some sort. Excuse me. Anyway, that's my rant for today. Hope you enjoy it. I'll talk to you soon.